question 20, my first step is to take the logarithm of both sides. And you'll notice that this question is another question where we have x's in both of our exponents. Our next step is to bring down both exponents to the main level using the power rule. Next, I can cancel out log of 10 because log of 10 is just 1. And 1 times 1 minus x is just 1 minus x. So you can only do that when the base and the inside of the logarithm match. So now I want to get all of my x terms onto one side and all of my terms that don't have an x onto the other. So I'm going to add x to both sides to move that x to the right. So 1 is equal to x times log of 6 plus x. And again, we want to move all of our x terms onto one side so that we can factor out x as a GCF. So 1 is equal to x times log of 6 plus 1. Next, we want to divide both sides by log of 6 plus 1. So our exact answer is going to be 1 over log of 6 plus 1. And the decimal approximation is 0.562.